Those words we need to look at for each other. We need to love each other regardless of where you're from, who you are. The world is big enough to share love.
It's a brilliant service they're doing. I really don't know what I'd do if I never had this service.
Well, some of the donations come through an app called Foodiverse, which is run by First Share by the Slovenians.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
And this place actually has saved my life as well with the fruit and veg and my children, and they eat so much healthier.
Because I love me help and support to everybody that's in need. And that's what's good for us as well, meeting their faces. I get that for
Gets me out and meeting new people and stuff. So I suffer from depression. So doing things like this, getting out, it's good for my mental health.
It's an unusual charity in that it works a lot with people from lots of different parts of the world, really diverse group of people.
But after I came here, I know a lot of them, and that is make me happy. If I meet one of them and said good morning, hi.
There's so many people that come here, and some of them just need a cuddle or a chat, or just to know that just to know somebody's there for them.
She's brilliant, she helps you, she gives you talk, she comes and sees you, get what I mean? Everything, she's great. She's done a lot for my wee cat and everything, so my cat loves her.
When you go out, your smell makes a difference. You don't know what someone walking in the street is going through. Just look at somebody and say, how are you doing? Nice today. Do you know what? You're loved. It makes a big difference. And this is what this place is all about.